Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add legal pages in Hostinger website builder. I will also show you how to add them or how to link to them here on the footer of your website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and click on websites. Now, next to the website page, or my bad. Now, next to the website that you want to add legal pages on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and as you see here, no legal pages are added or are shown here in the navigation menu or on the bottom of or on the footer of my website. So how to add legal pages? It's simple. Just go to pages, click on add page, and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see privacy policy, refund policy, and terms and conditions. Let's start creating the first page, which is privacy policy. Then click on this little template. Here, fill in or enter your details to generate a privacy policy that you and your customer can rely on. So fill in your company name, for example, Ben's Test Site. Here, fill in your website name, same thing in my case, and for website name, yes, and for also fill in the email address and view more. The text generated by this tool is not legally binding. When using it, you agree to the terms and of this disclaimer. Read the disclaimer at least one time. Click on add page, and just like that, a new page is created called privacy policy, and by default it is added here in the navigation menu. And of course, you need to read this privacy policy to know what you are talking about. Now that I created my first legal page, let's create the other two. Same thing, click on pages, add page, and scroll down, terms and conditions, for example, and click on this template. Same thing here, fill in the company name, website name, website address with the HTTP, and of course the email address. Click on add page, and the second legal page will be created and also added in the navigation menu. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And the second legal page will be created and also added in the navigation menu. So if you don't want to show, or of course the majority does not show or add the legal pages on the navigation menu, so let's see how to remove them from here and add them here on the bottom of the page. So go to pages, and here, instead of deleting your legal pages, because this will delete this page from your website and not from the navigation menu. So how to remove it? Simply from the navigation menu, drag and move it like this, here below, hidden from navigation. As you see, as I place them here, they are hidden from the navigation menu. Same thing for the second page. Drop it here and it will disappear from here. Now, how to add them on the footer? It's simple. Click on click on add element like this. Place it here, for example. Double click it, or instead of here, let's double click the text. Make it smaller like this, and pick a small text font like this. Let's start with the privacy policy. Let's pick a suitable color like this. And now let's see how to add the link. Make sure to select the text, click on link, and here make sure to select page first, and then select the correct page. This is the privacy policy. Click on save, and just like that, the first link is added. Let's resize this text element like this. Place it here. Now, instead of duplicating this text element like this to add the second legal page text or link, I will just double click first. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Double click this empty space and hit enter on your keyboard. And now fill in, for example, first. Yes, I think. Okay. And hit enter. Now let's write, for example, privacy policy page and terms and conditions. Okay. Now to make sure to pick the or to modify the link from here. Where is the? Just search for your page and you will see it like this. Click on save. Now let's adjust the line height between those two links. So click here, more options, and adjust the line height. But here I need to place the mouse cursor here and adjust. I'm not sure why this is. I think this is fixable like this, and a little bit like this. And now my legal pages are added. You can add them manually like I've just did, or simply duplicate an already used text element like this. Place it here and write your first privacy policy, or instead of this I will adjust it like this, privacy policy, and here I will write terms and conditions. Let's leave this, and just like that it will be using the same text style instead of this a little bit slightly different text font. And here same thing, I will remove this one and use this one. And here don't forget to hit the update website to publish those new links on those newly added legal pages on your website footer. Now let's view my website live. And this is the new privacy policy page, and this is the terms and conditions. And this is how to add legal pages in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.